Ladies and gentlemen, we bowling. Yeah. Let's not play down the competition, please. Let's beat them by 30 plus. Let's play inside out. They have no big, so y'all can really eat all game. Yeah, get a rebound, push the tempo. Let's work on our rebounding today. Because if I see another team get 20 offensive rebounds, I'm gonna call the fourth game. We're not gonna fucking play. But throw it off the glass. Josh, you got it. Here we go. Oh shit. Hey, ski on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, he bring that bag. He bring that bag.
Damn, should I do the socks, bro?
From the get-go,
Let's get it.
Look like money, smell like money.
Oh. When I read it wide, it seems better.
Look down. Knock it down. Go! He gonna give it back.
Hey, you hit a jump shot. Huh? Start up.
Hell yeah. Okay. You might have to throw like 5 of them hoes up.
Match up. Stay up. What did he eat this morning? Hold on. Yo, what did he eat this morning? Yeah.
I knew he couldn't dribble. Red ball. Fred kept his socks down.
Hey, you just said don't do it.
You're right, my bad.
Ooh, I would have pulled that.
You can't dribble. Hands up, Fred.
You wasn't running.
I know he's gonna shoot.
find one.
That's up there. Hands up. Look. No. Look at man. Double dribble. Double dribble. Double dribble. No.
Oh
He gotta be trolling.
I ain't gonna lie, that clip is gonna look nasty.
That is so crazy. He said.
Ref, ain't no way in hell.
No, that was a crazy double dribble, ref.
No, I missed it. Is that all right?
No.
Okay, I missed it.
Just bad.
Match up.
I ain't never seen that.
Stay solid. Take off. Shoot my school. That's you, right here. Shooter. This way. That's all.
Almost got your ass. Trash ass nigga.
Go. He gonna settle.
It won, ref. It won.
Who was I getting?
I was
Push. Yep. Look this way.
Get it, Sean. Stay up.
Hey, you don't want the ball, Taylor. If you get the ball, you take it.
Rotate.
Jump that, Sean. Drop. By yourself, Trent.
Yep, by yourself. That's our shooter, and our shooter need to shoot that bitch.
But he done messed up your shit. I've been ready for this one.
He felt that right here. He felt that bitch all right here. In his heart and his soul.
It don't matter if he heard it. They didn't hear it though, so we good. As long as they don't hear it, y'all, they ain't hear that. Y'all ain't hear it.
I'm finna throw it off the glass to myself. What?
Killed that nigga. Killed it.
That was a net. I needed it.
They're only scoring in transition, so we stop taking dumbass shots. We'll be up by 40. So let's hit that next time.
It was a net. The net really put my ball out.
Let's hit that bitch next time. Position. Knock it down.
Good.
You gotta be sitting right next to me. threw the ball when I was already under the rim.
Come sit with me. Come sit with me, though. Come sit with me. Now you got, hey, talk to him, coach.
Nigga, what are you doing? How the hell he gonna throw me the ball? It was late. It was late. Exactly. So that means I'm losing my momentum trying to get up to high to the rim. It's not like you got a lot of excuses. Give me it. Come on.
Jump that. Oh. Look at that rim. Let's go. Let's go.
Maybe his time on the bench, he needed that.
It was the pep talk I gave him. I said, you go out there and hoop, I'm gonna give you some. Oh. He gonna hoop, watch. You see, look. What is that? He said, yeah. I thought y'all was good. No, he's cool.
Match up.
Get.
Drop. Let's go to work, Deshaun. Let's go to work. Let me see what you got. Okay.
That's what I want. Everybody will watch that. It's a titty. I ain't gonna, no. This is my might be a good lunch on though. You got you hooping. Wait, no, don't spam it though.
Bella.
No, it's good.
Hey, keep pushing that tempo. We could really hit 60 points by first half. We'll be on track for 120. So let's keep this bitch going, huh? I need 60 before halftime.
Bet.
So keep shooting that bitch, keep attacking. Let's go. Finish on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Finish.
Finish on 3, 1, 2, 3. Finish.
Stay up. Give me that. Hey, what?
He don't like Gray.
Party.
You don't want to see niggas win. You don't want to steal his highlight reel.
Ref, that looks so
Did he
good.
say you don't want to see me win? Did he just say that to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ref, that looks so good.
But you know he started from here and ended right here.
Was it body contact or
Oh
up
yeah.
top?
Look, he's going this way.
He's
He's over here.
lying. You lying. That was clean.
Let's go to work, Deshaun. Dre. Let's go to work, Dre. Yeah, Dre is shit in the bed today. Hey, we gotta need a conversation with that boy, man. That's all you.
Who, Dre?
Yeah, Dre.
He's still doing stupid stuff?
Hey, stay up. Stay up. Motherfuckers had 50.
Yo. He's good at that. He's looking great.
Ladies and gentlemen, I won 57 to 34, but I wanted 60. I told them 60. It's a damn shame, man. These niggas are out here embarrassing me. This team's not that good, honestly. They're shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, we gotta have a talk with Dre. I don't know what the fuck he's doing out there.
That was their ball.
That was definitely their ball.
Yeah, he turned it over.
Yeah, no, that
But
was
it's
their
okay.
ball.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I expected. Remember that commercial when the dude said, "No ref, it's their ball."
Yeah.
Dre should have did that.
He should have. Because I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah. 57-34, busting their ass. Still got a warm-up game. 'Cause I think next game's pretty good. So let's get 100. Let's do it. 100 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Let's do it. 6, yeah. I feel the energy. I needed that so bad.
Come on, nigga. Let's go.
down. Maybe we go up 30, we can have fun, man. That's what I was talking about yesterday. Watch that shit.
We work on that shit. Okay. We work on that shit.
I like that.
Yeah, let's go. We out. Yo.
Oh my God. Yeah. Timeout.
Do your thing, baby. Do your thing, baby. Let's keep this shit up, fellas. It's looking too easy out there, baby. Keep this shit up. Looking too easy out there, baby. Keep this shit up.
I need to get the windmill off one.
Okay. All I gotta say is keep this shit up, y'all boys. Y'all doing y'all shit. Let's go.
Hey, we need 100. Don't let them get the 50.
100 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
100.
That nigga wasn't supposed to make that. Go now. Go back.
Oh, wow. Let's go. Oh, show us up. There we go. Hey! Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got you. Okay. This the one. One more.
Hey, TP.
Got the basket. 14. I got you.
That's just my first dunk. I had to get, you know.
He did.
Jersey.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Sit down, Jay.
That was crazy. That nigga just walked up, shot that bitch. When you down this much, you can do shit like that.
Talk to me, Jay. Oh, JJ. I think JJ got in there. Whoa. JJ did. Memphis.
Oh, with the Isaac 360.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Isaac.
Yeah. Oh, the same one. He stood there the whole time. No, who are you talking about? Oh, I thought you were talking about Sammy. Okay. Oh, I'm talking about Nick. I didn't know it was you.
Yeah, good.
Well, when I'm doing, okay. So when I'm out like this, it shows it better than when I zoom in. Watch, like this. You can see it, you can read it better. Oh, right now he's good, but it gets darker. Oh shit.
We don't teach that here, man.
It's like he thought about dunking it and let it go instead.
It didn't get cooked. Look, see, not here, baby. It's a damn shame.
You back. Come on, talk to me, Dre. That's big boy work.
That's us, that's us.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
I think it's clutch out.
He's a changed man.
How in 5 minutes?
Okay, Dre. That was wholesome. That was wholesome. I like that. I had a conversation with him after yesterday. You see, instead of, he almost punched his ass. He helped him up. He's changed.
Yeah, Gray. Okay, here we go. 5-0, 5-0.
Hey, stay up, stay up, stay up. They're ending at 2. They're ending at 2. Stay up, stay up.
No, but why'd he shoot it like this? You should've. Why you? You something amazing!
Stop running! Yo, get out.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
One!
Hey, come on, man.
Can you fuck?
No!
That's good foul, Sean.
The tackle was foul.
Damn.
Y'all niggas are so whack, bro.
Oh, y'all whack as fuck.
Y'all playing around for goddamn what? Man, shake him up, man.
I think he's gonna call a foul.
Shake him up.
When you shot it in the corner.